In the corporate world, empowering your team goes beyond providing the tools for success. Today, we're going to explore how first aid training can empower your team by instilling the confidence to respond in emergencies. Empowering your team with first aid skills isn't just about compliance, it's about building a workforce that's confident and ready to act. So let's delve into how this empowerment can be a game changer for your organization. And here are the key points to consider. Immediate response to workplace injuries and illnesses, minimize severity and complications through prompt care, enhanced employee morale and confidence, fostering a culture of care and preparedness, a more resilient and confident workforce. Empowering your team with first aid skills is not just a task, it's an investment in the confidence and well-being of your employees. It's about knowing that your team has the skills and the confidence to make a difference in the workplace. Empowering your team with first aid skills is not just a choice, it's the path to a more confident, resilient, and prepared workforce. Because in your workplace, confidence is the key to success.